Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your H&M mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to open up my H&M app as I normally would. Now from here, basically I'm just going to put a product into my cart and then show you where to add that gift card in. So from here, I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to start shopping. So I'm going to click on the three horizontal bars, I'm going to choose men. And now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go have a look at some shirts here. I'm going to choose this regular fit linen shirt. So I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to choose my size. And now I'm going to click on add. Now from here, I want to head over to the cart. So on the top right hand corner of the page, you'll see your cart or your shopping bag. So it will say my item that I've got here. And from here, in your shopping bag should be a little box that says discounts, apply discounts. So go ahead and click on apply discounts, put in your discount code, your gift card code here, click on add, and then head back. So if you've got a gift card code, so say for $20, this product's going to come down to $26.94. And then you've got to pay the remaining balance by either using your credit card, debit card, Visa, PayPal, Afterpay, etc.